What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the juiciest chicken breast that's super quick and easy. Let's be honest, how many times have you cooked chicken breast and it was way too dry? Too many times for me to count. With chicken breast being one of my staples in college, I ate it almost every day. At the time, I was trying to put on weight, and as you know, it gets very bland after a while. To change it up, I tried a variety of different flavors and methods, and this one is by far my favorite. The cooking process is 1, very easy, so it doesn't take much time, 2, all natural flavoring so you know it's healthy, and 3, very tasty. For all of these reasons, it's definitely a go-to whenever I'm hungry or lazy to cook. All the time. The ingredients you'll need is 1 chicken breast per person, or more, or less, not really judging. A lemon, a white onion, salt, pepper, parchment paper, and last but not least, a like, comment, and subscribe. Hehe, a shameless plug. Please? Alright, let's get started. To begin, you're going to want to rinse and pat dry the chicken breast. It's often recommended to leave your poultry out at room temperature so it can cook evenly. Tear a good amount of parchment paper so that it covers the chicken completely, with a little bit of excess paper for folding. The reason we're using parchment paper is for the non-stick purposes, and it traps in the heat and steam for proper cooking. You can use aluminum foil if that's available to you as well. In the meantime, you'll want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. While we wait for that to warm up, cut the lemon into thinly slices and make sure you take out the seeds. Now what you want to do is chop up the onions also into small pieces. Place the chicken breast in the center of the parchment paper for seasoning. For the seasoning, it's nothing too fancy. You'll want to dazzle a bit of salt and pepper onto each side. And now give it a good rub so it can soak in. Make sure you get the edges as well. Now put 2 lemon slices directly on top of the chicken, and put a generous amount of onions on top too. This is more of a personal preference. I love my onions. Next, we're going to wrap it up. You want to roll the edges tightly so that the juices and steam does not flow out. I'm sure you can do a better job than I did. Then place it on a cookie sheet and in the oven it goes. After about 25 minutes, you'll know it's ready when the parchment paper is puffy and golden on the outside. To be safe, you can measure the temperature using a thermometer, and the desired temperature internally should be at 165 degrees.
Ain't nobody got time for that!
I like to place mine on a plate of rice and cut it open directly on top for the juices. The lemon really gives it a kick, and the tangy juices make for a great sauce. Look at how juicy that is. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a quick, easy, and healthy chicken recipe. Hopefully it can find a place in your regimen and diet as well. If you found value in this video, please like it, subscribe for more, and leave a comment down below on what I should cook next. Thanks for watching.